Hey, good morning and welcome to our sunroom. We had this finished a few days ago and we've been kind of using it. We haven't furnished it yet, but in this video, going to kind of show you incremental progress that was made. The folks at Premier Project Management in the Huntsville area built this for us, and so far we're loving it. Great. Just give you a quick walk around of what we're looking at here. So this used to be a covered patio that was about 8 feet off the back of the house. Uh, we had it extended, so it's a little bit wider now. Over here, we've got a sliding glass door window leading out to the backyard, so we can access the jacuzzi. We have a bunch of windows across the back facing the yard. And then on this side, we have mini split to keep it nice and comfortable in here. It's currently just above freezing right now outside, so I'm in here barefoot right now, so definitely very comfortable. We installed two of these fans here, have them all synced up together. Natural wood ceiling. All the paint is the same paint that we have inside our house. It's very pretty. And on the floor, we have Vescent oak life-proof flooring, which is the same thing we have inside the house as well. So stick around and watch. The guys at Premier Project Management work really fast. They got the entire old porch tore down and the structure of this rebuilt in a single day. Overall, the entire project took right around 1 month. So really enjoying it, and thanks for watching. Here we are. halfway through the day and they've already got this thing started back up. Hopefully the roof's back on before tonight. You can see the copper for the mini split that's going to get installed right there. Went out of town for 2 days, came back, and they've got the ceiling up, tongue and groove pine. We got all the drywall up. They're mudding what we got here. From what I understand, well, they got the siding and trim outside done. Got the soffits in. Obviously they need to paint. Get the gutters back on. Everything's looking good. They move fast.